So now let's see how we can work around with compressor and Doppler effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have an audio clip, and in order to apply the compressor effect to it, I'm going to go around under effects and then expand out the audio. And over here you can see that I have compressor as an effect right here. Let me just go around and click and drag this out, and then the compressor is applied. And once I do that, what happened is that the compressor is applied. So now what you can do is you can go for a hard limiter right here. And there's a limit right here. It compresses the audio so that the audio volume does not exceed out. Or you can go for softer limit right here, just like this, so that it can go more beyond. You can go around and change around the input gain as well. And then you can go around and change around the attack time to change around the volume, as you can see right here, and change around the release time. So that is how you can go around, change around the output gain and limit out the volume as per how you like. So that is the compressor. So another effect that you have is the Dopler Shift right here, which is the layer only effect. So what you need to do is you need to go around and convert this into a composite shot right here. So once you do that, you can see that this is the audio right here. So now you need to go around and apply out the Dopler Shift effect. So once you do that, you can go around and see that there's the speed of sound that you can choose right here, the screen size, and the distance fall off right here. So if I were to press the play button, you can hear out the difference right here, just like this. You can go around and change around the volume distance right here, just like this, and then change around the size right here and the distance right here, just like this, the speed of sound as well, and so forth. So you can go around, decrease this out. So that is what you have. And that is how you can work around with the compressor and Doppler shift effect inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.